Thank you very much. Thank you. Welcome, everybody. Thank you very much for the kind, nice, warm welcome. Quick intro. As mentioned, I'm Seema Misra. I'm one of the victims out of the post office scandal. As you mentioned, I have a wonderful husband. He was a key player to expose us to media in 2010. So thank you for that. We know it's widely in media now. I have two wonderful kids. Yeah, we originally from India. Always been entrepreneur, always been hardworking. Our entrepreneurial journey was doing very well till 2005 when we bought the post office. It stopped there because of another fight began. But we, as I mentioned, we've been working hard because like others, I was told, Mrs. Misra, we have so many post office, they're doing fine, it's just your post having issue with. So our fight started in 2005, but the legal battle started in 2008. And in 2010, as mentioned, I lost the case. And on my eldest and 10th birthday and being 8 weeks pregnant, I was sent to prison. Anyway, then we knew that we're fighting with authorities. We didn't give up. We knew we have to get our name cleared because I didn't do anything wrong. We knew that, like others, I didn't do anything wrong. We knew we're fighting with authorities, it's going to take a long time, but we didn't expect it this long. In 2019, when we won GLO, we thought, that's it, it's all done, it will be all sorted now. We will get our money back and the actual culprit will go behind the bar, that's it, all done. But no, it didn't happen. Then in 2021, our convictions were overturned. We thought, yes, now it will be sorted. Now it will be all fine, We will get our money back, which post office owe our money. It's not a compensation, it's our own money. And the actual culprits will go behind the bar. That didn't happen. The fight is still going on. What are we fighting for? I know like me, we have so many of the postmasters in the here as well. We can fight day in, day out with the post office. Yeah, are we tired? Yes, we are tired. But we're not going to give up, that's for sure. Another thing is, I still can't come in terms with the fact that without any facts and evidence, I was sent to the prison. Now we have so many facts and evidence available, but the actual culprit is still roaming around freely. I still can't come. It shows that we're living in a land of two laws. One law for common person like me and you, and the other for the authorities. That need to change. Definitely. That's what the fight is on for. Definitely full and final compensation for each and every single victim, on top of that proper accountability. Accountability for what? We want each and every single person, either it's a Royal Mail, Post Office, Fujitsu, or government, whoever is responsible for the scandal, they need to pay a heavy penalty and behind the bars. Some might be thinking, why behind the bars? Prison is not a solution and all that. But it needs to be done to set a right example as well. Personally, we think that, it's an accountability is a big issue. If we let post office get away with it, for what they've done, their scandals happened before us as well. And if we don't do anything else, more scandals will happen. Reason being, another organization will think, if post office can get away with such a wide word-known scandal and they still got away with it, why can't we? So we do need to put a system right, and how that can be done, when we have show to the world, they actually have in here, nobody above the law. Currently, the authorities, post office, Royal Mail, it shows that they are above the law. To put the system correct so we feel safer, that we're leaving something good for the future generations to coming. We speak about green planet. And we, knowingly or unknowingly, we try to contribute toward that as well. How about green society? It's happening in our own home, as the team mentioned as well. We need to do something about it. How can we do it? I don't know. We have a wonderful legal team. Well, we do know how to do it. That's what we're fighting for. But with everybody's support, getting the word out, it is possible. It is possible to prove that law is above everybody. Nobody can take law for granted. So at least I think we can do that for our generation to coming as well. I tell you, in 2020, when we were fighting for our appeal court, because even after it was proven that post office was wrong, we had the process we have to follow to get the conviction overturned. In 2020, I had a call from poor Marshall saying there's a very young, dynamic lawyer would like to assist. And that was our introduction to Flora Page. So yeah, since then, that was the first time we came across Flora. Flora, as mentioned, she's a criminal lawyer since 1999. She got vast experience. Wow, amazing, Flora. She has a diverse practice. On the one hand, she's highly experienced in criminal advocate, a true all-rounder. As mentioned, she's prosecute and defend equal amount. Our personal experience is she's the one who taken her oath, definitely there's an oath we take when we go for judiciary. She's taken the oath seriously and fulfilling it. Thank you very much, Flora. Flora is currently representing us, like me and so many other, in the post office inquiry as well. And you will see there's so many. If you go to social media, you'll see a cross-examination. There's so many clips all over the media of you. Right, me and my husband, Devinder, we called her, she's a Durga avatar, just to put some info. You can go home and Google it as well. For us, Durga is a goddess, and say she's the one who sit on lion and destroy all evil. So for us, Flora is like that. Definitely, she's some of the unsung hero, as mentioned, in second limb. How important that was. She played a very important role, definitely. And we owe, along with Paul Marshall, definitely we owe to Flora and Paul quite a lot. Not just us, all the other subpostmasters as well, because after winning second limb, there were so many other things were being corrected as well. Flora, thank you very much to have faith in me to host you. It is, oh my God, it's I don't want to miss an opportunity. I know I don't want to miss out just for reading something and all that, but no, thank you really means a lot. And give me huge pleasure, to such a powerful lady. With a drum roll, please help me welcome Flora.